And here we have a very simple lemon pepper chicken. Chicken wings in. What we're doing, we're going to leave these marinade, get overnight. Really simple. Leave them marinating overnight. Okay, that'll do. And then tomorrow we're going to air fry these up with some couscous and some roasted vegetables. So first thing we'll do, we're going to add all our flavourings. You can pick and choose here. Again, I've lost something that I need. It always happens. I always lose something and I've lost something quite important. Yeah? Okay. So first we're going to do lemon. Can't have lemon chicken. Wave it out. Lemon. So I'm going to use juice because I've got about £1.5 kilos of chicken, family of 4. So first thing we'll do is grate the zest of 2 lemons, and then I'm going to squeeze the juice in there. Oh, not pip. Thing is, these are going to get marinated. Yes, there's pips dropping in. There is an easier way to deal with that. And the easiest way really is to do it into your fingers. Like that. Now, to be fair, I don't do a lot of cooking with lemon, so we're going to see how these go. So there's the lemon. It is a quite simple recipe, this. I could crush some black peppercorns. I'm just going to go in with a generous amount of black pepper. There's about, I'd say a teaspoon maybe of that. And again, okay, garlic. And then on top of that, I'll put onion powder, but I don't have any onion powder, so a bit of onion salt. And I think that's all I'm going to do. I have no dried basil, so I'm not going to use dried basil. So what I am going to do though, okay, give them a good gonna just give my hands a rinse, then put a bit more black pepper. Just gonna wash my hands off. And then quick wash and disinfect. We'll be messing with raw chicken. A bit more garlic I think is needed. And then I am being lazy. You could use actual, proper garlic. I've been really lazy today. What am I missing now? Yeah, I want some more ground pepper, because it's great tasting with lemon, but not at the expense of if you're not tasting everything else. A bit more salt, Okay, and that'll help chicken overnight. Okay, so there we go. We're gonna cover these up and let's rest for 24 hours. Okay, and the next step in our very simple chicken wing meal is we are going to prepare some peppers which we're going to air fry. You could roast them, it's a bit quicker in the air fryer. And then we are going to cook our chicken wings, and that's it. We're going to set it on top of some couscous. Nice and easy, other than the fact I can't get this out of the packet. If you hear a little bit of a scream or a shout in the background, that will be my little boy who's decided to join me for this video. Unfortunately, no video will be shown. Part of the fact that I don't really want him all over YouTube, but secondly because he's sat there half naked, as kids do. So very simple. All we're going to do, we're going to de-seed these peppers. Move the, is it pint? I can't. Do you know what? I keep saying I can never remember what it's called, and then I completely forgot to forget, should I say, being an operative word. I completely forget to go and check what's going to happen. Harry, do you want a piece of pepper? Piece of pepper? So we're going to remove this white pint, and then we're just going to slice them roughly. It doesn't really need to be exact, okay? Okay, that's as far as it goes. Just and that's easy. This is one of the simplest, easy meals you can make. You know, if it's one of those hot days and you don't want to be working around an oven. Unfortunately, I've been a bit of an idiot and I'm prepping 3 meals as I taught. And there we go, that's as easy as it needs to be. There's my fryer. I'm just going to spray it with some fry light, whatever you want to call it. Shove it in the oven 10 minutes, have a look, and then go from there and see whether or not you need some more. Okay, and despite the little lad now wanting something there, my peppers are nice and easy. Really not a problem to cook. So I'm going to put these in a bowl. As you can hear, the lad wants them, so I'm going to give him one whilst I make the chicken. But that is really it. It is very simple. I almost feel insulted doing this as a dish. But there's our kind of air fried peppers. And then what we're doing on that, now we are going to put our chicken wings. Now what we'll do them about, I think 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size. We'll do them for 10, okay? Spray them a little bit, and then go from there. They are very simple. Chicken wings are so cheap, and you know what? They can make an absolutely delicious meal. I don't want to overcrowd that, so I think that'll be it. So they're going to go in, I should say, 200 degrees for around 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to turn them halfway through. Be back when they are cooked. Ignore the banging by the little boy in the background. Well, compared to make, kind of got cooking wrong on that. Took well over 10 minutes. It did in fact take about 22 minutes. What I did is I kept on 200, flipped them around 12 minutes and done for another 10. But they are cooked to perfection. They're moist inside, just to show you. Okay. Nice and moist, not dry at all, and that lemon and pepper flavour is coming through fantastically. Delicious. While they're cooling a little bit, what we're going to do, we've got a hot pan there. Well, I'm just going to char some lemon. Ready to do. There we go. That's been cooked. And then while they're cooking. Okay, that's the couscous already. Okay. Come back when they are cooked. I'm not staying around. I'll pause and I'll come back when those lemons are cooked. So what we're going to do, those who have watched the channel before know that I don't put butter in my couscous. Well, I do afterwards, but my son is dairy intolerant, so generous amount of that couscous. On top of that, we're going to sit a handful of our beautiful fried peppers. And of course, some of that beautiful, crispy. Now I could half these, you know, and cut them, but I'm going for that full. Some of my beautiful wings. And then last but not least, a bit hot, some of our char grilled lemons. Absolutely, so steam. Absolutely amazing. Whatever's on your plates, do enjoy what you eat and eat what you enjoy, and please leave a comment below what's on your plates. As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my beautiful delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content, and last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.